Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best PanOxyl Acne Wash is probably one of the most talked about skincare products for acne treatment, and for good reason. This powerful cleanser contains benzoyl peroxide, a key ingredient known for its ability to kill acne-causing bacteria and unclog pores. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the PanOxyl Acne Wash, exploring its ingredients, effectiveness, and how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. Number 5. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for Dry Skin. This daily face wash is designed to hydrate your skin. It uses hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. It provides 24-hour hydration, leaving a moisturized feel. This non-foaming cleanser is perfect for dry skin. Its lotion-like consistency feels smooth while cleansing, even on sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, certified by the National Eczema Association. This cream cleanser can be used on your face, body, or as a hand wash. It's suitable for daily use, both morning and night, for normal to dry skin. It's a great choice for your skincare routine. This product contains 3 essential ceramides, which are naturally found in the skin. These ceramides help maintain the skin's natural barrier. They are key to healthy, hydrated skin. This skincare product was developed with dermatologists. It is a #1 dermatologist-recommended skincare brand. It offers products suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. What we like? This cleanser is all about hydration. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this is a great choice. It's designed to cleanse without stripping your skin of its natural moisture, leaving it feeling soft and comfortable. If you are looking for a gentle cleanser that supports your skin's natural barrier, you should consider it. What people say. It works great for acne. It has helped clear up my skin. This product is amazing for acne. Number 4. PanOxyl 10% Acne Foaming Wash. This daily foaming face cleanser is a top choice. It is designed to clear, treat, and prevent breakouts. Millions have already experienced its effectiveness. This dermatologist-recommended treatment works quickly. It eliminates 99% of bacteria in just 15 seconds. You can rely on it to fight against acne. It contains the highest concentration of benzoyl peroxide available over the counter. This powerful ingredient is a favorite among dermatologists for a reason. This cleanser helps break the acne cycle. It works to clear and unclog pores on multiple areas of your body. Use it to achieve clearer skin. Acne treatments can be harsh, but this product includes moisturizers. It is non-comedogenic, unscented, and safe for daily use, helping to combat dryness. What we like? This wash is a powerhouse against acne. It contains the highest concentration of benzoyl peroxide available over the counter and starts working quickly. If you're struggling with stubborn breakouts and need a fast-acting solution, this is the one for you. It also helps to combat dryness, so you don't have to worry about your skin feeling stripped. What people say. It works great for acne. It has helped clear up my skin. This product is amazing for acne. Number 3. CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser. This cleanser uses salicylic acid, a BHA, to gently exfoliate your skin. It removes dead skin cells, revealing a smoother and more radiant complexion. Unlike harsh scrubs, it's designed to be gentle on your face. The cleanser transforms from a gel into a rich foam. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin D. This combination cleanses and hydrates your skin without causing it to dry out. This product is designed to renew and nourish your skin. It can also provide relief for those with psoriasis. The cleanser exfoliates while providing relief to various skin types, including dry and rough skin. Like all CeraVe products, this cleanser contains 3 essential ceramides. These ceramides help maintain your skin's natural barrier. They protect against moisture loss and external irritants. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists. This cleanser is suitable for various skin types. It is suitable for dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. What we like? This cleanser offers gentle exfoliation. If you're looking to improve skin texture and radiance without harsh scrubs, this is a great option. It combines the benefits of salicylic acid with hydrating ingredients, making it suitable for various skin types. If you like a cleanser that provides both exfoliation and hydration, you should consider it. What people say. It exfoliates without feeling rough or scratchy, which is huge for me because my skin gets irritated fast. It starts out as a gel and then foams up when you wash, and my skin feels clean after but not tight or dried out. It works for me, clear skin, no fragrance. Number 2. Proactiv 3-Step Acne Treatment Kit. This is the acne kit that started a skincare revolution. It's designed for acne-prone skin, and it helps to stop acne-causing bacteria. This kit helps prevent new breakouts from forming. You need more than just a pimple cream. This is a powerful, comprehensive acne treatment system. It goes deep into your pores and removes impurities. It also helps prevent future flare-ups. It makes your skin routine easy. With just 3 steps a day, you'll be on your way to clear, radiant skin. It's simple and effective. This kit is safe for all ages and skin types. It provides powerful skincare for teens and adults. It's also great for sensitive skin. The kit includes a renewing cleanser, a revitalizing toner, and a repairing treatment. They work together to give you the best results. Use them daily for the best outcome. What we like. This is a complete acne treatment system. If you want a straightforward routine to tackle acne, this kit is designed to provide a comprehensive approach. With its 3-step system, it simplifies your skincare routine. If you are looking for a complete solution for acne, you should consider it. What people say. It works great for acne. It has helped clear up my skin. This product is amazing for acne. Number 1. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original. This is the Mighty Patch Original from Hero Cosmetics, the number 1 acne patch. It's the reason people keep coming back because it works when it counts. As soon as you see a whitehead, apply the Mighty Patch. After about 6 hours, you can peel it off, and the pimple will look much better. The Mighty Patch uses medical-grade hydrocolloid to absorb the gunk from your pimple. It also creates a protective shield, preventing you from picking or popping it. The Mighty Patch works while you sleep. Apply it before bed and wake up with a noticeably improved zit. It's that easy. Besides absorbing gunk, the Mighty Patch helps create a healing environment. It's derm-tested, drug-free, and suitable for sensitive skin. Plus, the peel is way more satisfying. What we like. These patches are all about targeted treatment. If you have a pesky pimple, this patch will help to shrink it overnight. It creates a protective barrier and absorbs impurities. If you like a simple, effective solution for individual pimples, you should consider it. What people say. It works great for acne. It has helped with my acne. This product is amazing and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.